Welcome to Seguirillas Explained Escobilla Edition. In this course, we're going to teach you everything you need to know to accompany an escobilla por seguirillas. I'm going to assume your compás is solid, that you understand how the compás works in seguirilla, that you can play compás in seguirilla. If not, this will be a very advanced course for you, so make sure that that is solid. And then the traditional escobilla falseta is something you're going to have to know. This one. Right? That is the traditional escobilla falseta for seguirillas, and you have to know this really to accompany seguirilla. We're going to look at other ways that you can accompany an escobilla, ways to groove, ways to keep the pulse so that you're always supporting the dancer and playing appropriate stuff. We're going to look at llamadas to get into the escobilla, cierres to close the escobilla, and basically how you work with a dancer to accompany a full escobilla, which is going to include a subida, where things get faster. So we're going to look at all of that and give you some material and some ways to groove the compás so that you can be a great seguirilla accompanist.